everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Moroccan tea. This Moroccan tea is so yummy, tasty, delicious and good for your scalp and health. And this is seem like what is the green teas. This is not taste same like that, but it's a little bit different. It's so good. If you drink this one tea, it's for the kidney stone. If you eat food, if you feel like so full, like you want to drink something like not Pakistani tea, you want to drink something like if you're drinking and everything is like gone, so when you drink this you feel like light feels after eating food. Drink this tea you feel light. So this one, how to make this Moroccan tea, I show you guys. And the first one I show you, this is you see the two boxes, but the same thing, but the first one is a finish. So that's why I'm just this one a new one, but I'll get it from that other one is a tea, so is enough for me. This is 3 teaspoons of Moroccan tea. It look like that, and some leaf of that. This is the name over here is 7-8 leaf, and this is Moroccan sugar. I have that one, but I don't have the picture because I have like Tibaro. I'm putting inside, so you can choose in you can use this home sugar, the same thing, but this one is like little bit it's not sweet too much, that's why I'm using this one. If you want more sugar add, you can use it more. This is definitely like as powder, it's have like 1.5 teaspoon, maybe 2 spoon. And this is fresh mint, I put in the water for clean, and I show you guys how to make next. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much for supporting me. So next I'll show you guys. I need this pot. You can use this one too inside of here, but I need make too much, so more than that, so that's why I'm using this one. But this one have a strainer inside over here, so I've been using that one, so I show you guys how to clean that one. Okay, so first we need so first what I do, I have this bowl, I'm making tea inside, I'm putting tea inside of here, and I have this glass of water. It's hot water, not warm, little bit more harder, and putting inside of here, and just do like little bit like this, and just leave it like 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So after I'm showing you what I do. This is 3 minutes is done now. We put this warm water inside the tea. So what we do next, this is a glass I have put strainer this one on top, and I put tea inside. That's why the reason if you make the other one inside, I have strainer. So you see the color, this one, 1 second, I show you. Look, the color is clean, right? So this tea I put over here. So what I'm doing next, this one we put over here. So next what we do, we need really hot water for clean that things. I show you guys why is really hot water coming from there. This one, because this one is hot, this one is weak, but this one is hot water coming. So what I do now next, I'm doing this thing. So I put water over here, look it, that has like half cup, like this, and then after what I'm doing, show you guys next. 1 second. You see I'm putting water over here, this one, the next one. First when we take it out, now look what we have to do, like this, shake it up like 30 seconds. Look over here like that. So what do we do right now, we cleaning our Moroccan tea patti, what we say this, and you can see how much is dirty water coming from there. So look at that, look at the color right now. You see the color? You guys see the before color and now. We cleaning now. This one is right now. Look over here right now. Dirty, how much dirty? And this is before. This is clean. This one is dirty. We throw up this one. So what we do, this one, the tea one over here. So we put water again. So I put water inside, then I show you guys again. I am putting water again, and I'm doing again. It's like that. It's 30 seconds. I'm doing again, then I'll show you guys. So 30 seconds is done. Now I'm doing again. So I'm doing again. Look at that. This is little bit clean water, but it's still so much dirty. So look at that. This is second time. So we throw this water again, and then again putting water inside over here. So I show you guys next. This is the third time. This is I putting third time water, and then I'm shaking again shaking up like this. It's 30 seconds. So I'm done of shaking up. Now I'm again shaking up, put it here, and again look at that. So is now it's color like this. See the color? Again, it's still dirty. So do the water this drop over here. I do the 2 times before. I'm not showing you guys, but it's the third time. Let's show you guys. Look how much water is dirty coming from that. So now is the 4th time. I'm doing again, put water inside. Show you. This is the 4th time. Again shake it up like same procedure. 30 seconds. So show you guys next. So I'm done with shaking up now. So we are doing again stir. So it's almost, it is still done. So this is the 4th time down. Now I'm using 5 times water please. This is 5 time I'm doing it, but I'm not showing you guys the 5th time one. So this is 6th time one. So do again. Now his water is clean. So our marakhini tea is clean now. So look at that. Water is clean. Now it's done clean. So what we do now? Remember the first one water, I'm taking out that one. So look, it look like the same. It's tea color. This is the first one water. So we're using again inside. So we need more water. Look at that. So 1 glass of that. I'm adding 1 more glass. So we putting in over there. This is a Moroccan tea, and 2 glass of water putting inside now, and the other one, remember I showed you guys, and 2.5 glass. So open the stone now, full, and putting on that. So we adding is Moroccan sugar now inside the leaf. I show you guys adding inside now. So when it's boil coming out, so then we putting in mint inside. But this is sweet. I don't need too much sweet. If you want to pour more sweet, so you can add more sweet. So I show you guys other sweet too. This is Moroccan sugar I'm using because it's not too much sweet, and I usually use that. So if you now can find Moroccan sugar, you can use home sugar. I show you guys which one is you guys. This one home sugar. Over here is America is like this. Which people use like this. You can use home sugar when usually you guys regularly using. So out boiler coming out, then I will show you guys. This is now boiler is coming out. Look, and color is coming to see color. So now we adding is mint. This is from my garden, fresh mint. I clean that, wash it already. So I'll be adding right now. How much you eat this? How much you putting inside the mint? This is mint you putting inside is good taste. I have just only this much right now. I get it. So, but you have to put mint inside. This is one boiler coming. Then after we have to close. So now I'm closing. Now I'm closing stone. And no fire, look that. No fire though. Now I'm putting this top and less than 5 minutes. Then this cover is done. Then I'll show you guys next. And it's done in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's 5 minutes on now. So what we do next now? I'm doing with that. Remember we do using for chai. So 5 to 6 times you have to do like stand like this. Then its taste coming more good. So have you have this one? You make tea on this one too. This is a This is the second tray because I want to make more than that because they have 4 cups. I'm gonna make 6 cups, so I need to use this one. So if you put it inside, they have strainer already. You just put it inside of this cup Moroccan tea. So you use this and put it inside back like this. So I show you guys next one, this one too. But I'm using with that fast right now. So I'm doing with the 5 or 6 times, then I'm going to show you guys. Now I'm done with that. So what I'm doing, I'm putting the tea, Moroccan tea inside over here. Strainer, this one, because usually people make for with that. So I'm putting inside all the tea, then I'll show you guys. So tea over here, like that. Here. So now what I'm doing is do this one. You look at that. So what I'm doing next, but I show you guys, I tell you guys, I'm telling you how to do again. This is put it again like this 3-4 times. So then I'm done with 3-4 times, then show you again. So I'm done with that and do the 4, 5, 6 times like this. Then now I'm putting inside the bag the cup, Moroccan tea cup. So you can drink with the other cups too, but I've just show you guys. Like that. Wow. And the next one. Nice. So yummy Moroccan tea is done now. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon, share your with your family friend, and thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for next video. Bye bye.